Renee here, and today what I'm going to start working on is a deluxe scrapbooking workshop. I haven't done a deluxe one before. The deluxe includes some additional supplies as well as some extra techniques. So the one I'm working on is I Heart Us. This kit will make one mini album. It'll do a single 2-page layout and then just 2 single-page layouts. I said that wrong. A double page layout and 2 single page layouts. Some of these layouts have a lot of work. This one has a lot of stamping. This one has paper weaving. All 3 of these, I believe, have watercolor. There may be some watercolor in the mini album. I'm not sure yet. So I think what I'll probably do is split this this series up, because I think it's gonna take a while to work on these because there's a lot going on in them, and that'll be fun. So I think what I'll do today is I'll do the mini album, and I'll show you putting the mini album together. I am using the same mini album that I used for my last mini album video, and I am just going to put it in the back. The colors are complementary, so I think it'll work well together, and if it doesn't, I'll just get another book and do a separate mini album. So with that, I'm going to turn on some music and I'm going to get to work. Okay, all done. So this is the mini album. This is the title page. I had a lot of fun with this page. I really liked the way that those 3 letters are raised up. Also used a corner rounder. I thought that was kind of fun. And then the next 2 page spread, this one has some room for journaling. And I really like the way that this all came together. And that pen that I used to make the dots is actually a shimmer brush, and the color is mint. So, and I really like these. They have a lot of pigment in them, so you can see that they're put quite a bit of color there on that page. And then this page, and some little stars in the background. That was really fun to do that random stamping. If you take a few of them off the page, like I did here and here and here, it makes it look a little more better. Man, that was horrible. Then I used some watercolor to color the little heart. And you'll notice throughout that there's some of the lines. I just used it's just a Flair, Papermate Flair pen. You can use any kind of a journaling pen that you like. You could even use a ballpoint pen. It's just real fun. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be straight. Looks nice. And you'll notice sequins throughout. I was just using glue dots to put the sequins on. And then sometimes the sequins were a little bit smaller than my glue dot. So I used my anti-static tool just to take off that extra sticky. Probably wouldn't be a problem just to leave it because they're in page protectors, but I just thought I'd do that. And this one I forgot to cut that piece, and it actually was supposed to be a scallop like this one, but I'm just tired. There was a lot of fussy cutting throughout this whole project, so it's just going to be what it is, and I think it looks cute. And then this page, this one gave me a little bit of trouble there on that corner, and you can see it's kind of showing. Let me fix that. That one was a little bit difficult to get that little guy on there. It was hard to cut as well. So I think if I had it do again, I'd cut it bigger just so I had more to manage, and then tape it or glue it down and then cut off the extra after it's already down. I think that would be easier. And this one's really cute. I don't know if you can read that, but it says, "I only have eyes for you." I thought that was really cute. And then this one has some journaling spots, and I just cut them to fit. Once I put everything on the page, rather than cutting them ahead of time, I cut the height that I needed, but I waited until I put everything down to cut the width. And then this the same way. I put 2 little journaling spots here with the Oh Happy Day, and I like how these are kind of turned on an angle. You'll notice that I had some trouble with this. That's because it stuck down before I was ready for it. And my ATG tape that I'm using right now seems to be really sticky, and once it's down, it's down. So, but I was able to save it, so no big deal. And then there's the closing page, and I really like the geometric look of that. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be back to put together the other pages that are in this kit. This particular project here took me about an hour and a half, so I will see how long the other pages take and split them up into some additional videos for you. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any comments, I would love to hear them. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.